Welcome to Wisemen.
All right, this is Eric Brown. I'm going to try to do a quick walkthrough here on a couple of projects that we've done. We're going to take it from the simple to the complicated. We're going to start with United Farmers USA. They are agricultural folks. We built a nice little front end for them, but it's connected to back end word, portal where they have their outreach portal. They can submit forms that are dynamically generated for them so that they can do their surveys and all that good stuff. People go here and fill out their information, whatever the case may be there, and submit to United Farmers USA. Everything is SQL driven and dynamic. They can do reporting and a host of other things here that we allow them to do, progress reports and stuff like that. We'll try to be as quick as possible here since I think I'm on a time limit with this screen capture stuff. But summaries, calculations, everything, all this stuff is being done in the background so that they can determine how well they're doing. Events, calendar, all that stuff, again, database driven, where they're able to put stuff into the system and do outreach activities. Let's move on to River's Edge, where they have, this is a very big golf community. It's got like 5 communities there, and we put together something so that they could have a portal that only the homeowners get to. I've already logged in, but basically all this is data driven here, and from photo galleries to showing off the amenities to actually submitting forms for pool passes. This goes back to our data center, and they're able to go in and submit information on who's requesting a pool pass, and put some notes in about their particular situation, sign the contract, and submit that to the office. It goes into the office, and on the back end, they're able to do a number of things, whether it's modifications or we've got a lot of technology that we've built in this thing where we can upload photos, and all that stuff is stored in the database and database driven. So let's keep going. Let's look at Red Panda Radio. This is one of our technologies that we put together for Wisemen, and it's a really interesting system. Allows us to take just about any desktop and broadcast full-on digital high quality radio, and I'm going to walk you through some of the features here. I've already kind of loaded this thing up, but let me show you the file manager first. I mean, we kind of put things in place here so that you can let's go over here, and I'm going to pull a console up so you can see how that looks. This is how we kind of broadcast everything. And let's go in here and let's do maybe we'll do some smooth jazz. I don't know, Boney James. Let's add that over to the playlist. You can drag and drop this stuff as well. Like I say, we use a lot of different technologies to get things going here for us. And obviously once you get over here, it's just a matter of queuing it up, and I'm not sure if I've got the audio set right so I can play this, but we'll give it a try. Oh, I'll tell you what I'll do here. Let me just load a new playlist here. Hang on. Let's go to where's my music? Music, boom, there we go. Yep, clear the playlist, there we go. And let's set some settings up over here. There we go. So basically we're able to, let me do this over here so we can actually make sure this thing will run. And let's queue it up. So you can see basically the way that we work. This thing has a lot of systems and subsystems that we work off of here, and you can see from the log of what's happening here. We do object-oriented programming, and so we're actually sending loads of data from the console to the server and back, and we package up and encrypt these objects and send it over and unpack the object and then make it make sense. So that's pretty much that's kind of part of how this thing works. And I'm going to see if we can let's see here, just start broadcast. I don't know if the schedule's up or not. Let me actually look at the schedule. Let's see. Yep, I'm actually on the schedule. So this, not only are we broadcasting now from the system, is it's going out, but you can hear it on iPhones and Androids and stuff like that. So we've got a lot of technology that we've built that's proprietary that helps us go from system to system to behind the scenes portal to update information, to do whatever needs to be done. I'm not going to bore you guys with a full demonstration, but we got schedules here, and I'll kind of show you that drag and drop interface here in a second. Hang on a sec. Let's see here. No, we don't want the file manager. We want... Actually, I'm going to go ahead and close this console real quick so I can show you some of the drag and drop scheduling features. So I'm just going to go here. This is our Wisecast television program, and so I'm going to pull up the scheduler here and just kind of show you guys some of the like I say, how we put an interface together, and all of this connects to the back end, to the broadcasting server core. Let me just drop a little show here and show you how we kind of do things. Give me just a second. Alright. Just going to drag and drop that over. Let me move over to where there's a, so it's not a schedule conflict. There we go. Alright, so we're just dropping it there. If we want to do commercials, we can just right click, and that's drag and drop as well. Just drop those on there and kind of rock and roll. And then we're gonna add a couple more here. Okay. Alright, good deal, good deal. Let's move that over a little bit. There we go. And yep. Okay. Find another one real quick. Okie dokie. Okay, so basically once we drop all this down and save it to the core, it goes behind the scenes. It puts a schedule out, ingests it into the broadcasting core, and does everything. Shows up on the user's console automatically, and it runs the schedule. It runs the programs just as you see them scheduled here. So that's just wanted to kind of give you guys a range of some of the capabilities that we have. Hopefully you see something here that makes sense for you, that you say, hey, might be a good match for us. And if not, we can tailor something obviously very unique for what you're trying to accomplish, as long as we understand the requirements and what needs to be done. All right, this is Eric Brown, Wisemen Multimedia Company, and 770-940-9685. Give me a call.